Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for Lafayette Parish in south-central Louisiana, northwestern Iberia Parish in south-central Louisiana, northwestern St. Mary Parish in south-central Louisiana, northeastern Vermilion Parish in southwestern Louisiana, west-central St. Martin Parish in south-central Louisiana, until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:11 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over ridge, or near rain, moving northwest at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lafayette, New Iberia, Abbeville, Scott, Breaux Bridge, Carencro, St. Martinville, Jeanerette, Kaplan, and Sipper-Mort Point. This includes the following highways: Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 95 and 110. Interstate 49 between mile markers 1 and 8. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.